Hello, magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, hello sa lahat ng Pisces. Gagawin natin ang inyong weekly love reading para sa March 23 to 29. So, habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa inyong lahat ng Pisces na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you very much. Please continue to support by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba, lalo na kung nag-resonate ang reading. At sa mga bagong Pisces na nakasubaybay, sana supportan nyo rin po by subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. Okay, so bubunot ako ng dalawang cards from this deck that will be the overall energy ng reading ninyo for this week. I'll get the third card dahil March. And yes, magtatapos na ang first quarter of the year. Bilis ng panahon. Very season na. Okay, so first card, Ace of Cups. Ooh, nice. Second card, ooh, Strength and Ace of Cups. Okay. Okay, so there's so much love in your connection. Mahal nyo isa't isa, as you can see here. Okay, so si Ace of Cups, similar siya kay the Lover's card. So it's full of love, happiness, abundance, yung connection, and very strong. Going strong kayo, okay? Going strong talaga yung connection. There's so much confidence sa isa't isa na, okay, this will be a long-term relationship. And every challenges na mapagsubok na pagdadaanan, malalampasan kasi in the past nagawa nyo na. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung detalye ng reading na to using this deck. And as I shuffle, gusto ko na i-remind ang lahat, as always, that this is a collective reading. So, kung hindi mag-resonate, kasi pwedeng hindi ko na-tap yung energy ninyo. So, huwag pilitin. Abangan nyo na yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Okay? Or, panoorin nyo yung mga past videos ko kasi pwedeng mag-resonate yung mga isa din. Timeless naman ang mga tarot and oracle reading. Okay? And abangan nyo na yung mga susunod kong reading, kaya subscribe na sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe. Wala, updated kayo. And best talaga to book a personal and private reading. Nasa description box naman yung email address ko kasi mas naka-align at naka-tune in sa energy ninyo versus sa collective reading, diba? So, mas mababasa natin na maayos yung kaganapan sa inyo. Okay. Sige, bubunot ako ng 8 cards. Third card. Para yan. Okay, Wheel of Fortune. Okay, Knight of Wands. Four of Coins. Fourth card, the Star. Okay, make a wish. Okay, Star card. Fifth card, Two of Cups. Oh, from Ace of Cups to Two of Cups. Queen of Wands. 7 card, Eight of Wands. Okay. And last, 8 of Coins. Oops. Ayan niya. Okay. What you don't see coming is the 9 of Cups. Ganda. Mahal niyo lang talaga sa isa dito. Okay. Wheel of Fortune to 8 of Coins. And what you don't see coming is the 9 of Cups. This is the energy. Bottom of the deck. So, hidden energy siya pero nangyayari sa relationship. So, the Wheel of Fortune, this is a meant to be connection. Okay, and nafe-feel nyo naman din yun sa isa't isa dahil sobrang love ninyo. And, yun nga, parang yung mga pagsubok din na dalampasan nyo siya ng madali. So, ito yung connection na parang meant to be. And meant kayo talaga na magkakilala at magkaroon ng connection. And as shown here by the Knight of Wands is there's really so much adventure sa relationship ninyo. What I mean is, ang daming mga kaganapan. Alam mo yun, hindi boring. Hindi boring ang relationship ninyo. So much fun, so much happiness. Ang dami nyo napapag-usapan, ang dami nyo nagagawa, ang dami nyo napupuntahan. And here sa Four of Coins, it shows din na this is, may ang tawag doon, umiiwas lang din talaga kayo. May mga iniiwasan lang din kayo na magkaroon ng conflict. So, may mga adjustments kayong ginagawa sa isa't isa. And what I see here is yung pagiging possessive, selosa, hindi nyo siya, parang you have that trait. Pero hindi siya natitrigger dahil kaya nyo ang ayusin lahat. And mas nangingibabaw yung love over jealousy. Okay? So that's what I see, because here the star card lumabas, which is this connection is full of hope. This is actually what you wished for, itong connection na to, and nangyari siya. And very inspired talaga kayo sa isa't isa. Yung inspiration na yun helps pa to grow the relationship. And as shown here by the Two of Cups, from Ace of Cups to Two of Cups, mahal nyo talagang isa't isa. Because Ace of Cups is love, happiness, and abundance. Plus, Two of Cups is relationship and the connection. So, punong-puno ng love ang connection ninyo. Diba? Tapos yung Queen of Wands pa, lumabas, that it's really growing. There's a deep connection. And ito yung relationship na may self-assurance. Meaning, hindi parang, yes, you validate each other's feelings, and pero actually hindi nyo na kailangan, kasi I can sense here that very secure itong relationship na to. And as shown here by the Eight of Wands pa, it's still progressing. Yung mga adventure, excitement, yung mga kaganapan na patuloy na nagpapasaya sa inyong dalawa is progressing pa, and nagtutuloy-tuloy lang siya. And as also seen here by the Eight of Coins, na very committed kayo, dedicated kayo sa isa't isa. You and your person are putting so much effort for this relationship to be happy, to continue to be happy, stable, and secure. Okay? So, napakaganda ng reading na to. Kaya, parang tuloy-tuloy lang ako nagsasalita, di ba? Kasi, ayun, I mean, very, very positive, very good. So, claim nyo na itong energy na to. Tapos, what you don't see coming is the Nine of Cups, which is a card of fulfillment and satisfaction. Alam mo yun, yung energy na to, yung energy ng being contented na sa relasyon. So, happy talaga kayo sa relasyon na to. So, good job. Alright. So, tingnan natin ano yung advice ni universe sa inyo to maintain this very good connection. And this will seal the reading. Okay. So let's see. So what's the advice or message from the universe? Aspiration. Yeah, okay. So sinasabi lang dito, just really continue to grow, and yung aspiration nyo talaga to really have a very, very secure and very, very happy relationship. Yung contentment na yun, tuloy-tuloy nyo lang kasi nagpo-progress nga siya. So that growth, just aim for that. Diba? So, every level naman, parang sinasabi naman din ng contentment is parang, okay, dito na tayo, okay na tayo din. Hindi. What I mean is, every time na nag-shift siya from level 1 to level 2 to level 3 to level 4, happy kayo. Hindi kayo na parang, and you just allow and trust the process na parang hindi nyo pinipilit na Okay, mag-level up na tayo, di ba? Kasi hindi na ako happy. Hindi. Happy kayo together and contented kayo together na binibiyayaan pa kayo ni universe to have a more uh, secure and happier relationship. So, pag nag-level up kayo, happy ulit kayo doon, mas binibiyayaan kayo ni universe. Okay, so sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Kita kits. Ingat!